Good evening. There are some stories as a journalist you track with professional detachment, doing your job to the best of your ability. And then there are others which from the get-go you feel passionately tied to. It's the kind of story that makes you beam with pride, simmer with anger, laugh and cry. For me, one such story is the story of the Reggae Girls. Like many Jamaicans, tears intermingled with laughter this week as the Reggae Girls marched into the 2019 World Cup in France. Lest we forget, Jamaica went through a period of being unranked in FIFA due to inactivity after the Jamaica Football Federation in 2010 abandoned the National Senior Women's Program, citing lack of funds. In fairness to his memory, it was the same president, the late Captain Horace Burrell, who made overtures to Cedella Marley, no doubt pulling at her heartstrings as her father, Bob Marley, was an avid football fan who fancied himself as a good player. Cedella was sold and lent her brand and the money and support of the Bob Marley Foundation to resuscitate the women's program under the motto, "Strike Hard." Later, of course, Marley was joined by the UK-based Alacran Foundation. And here we are, France beckons. Reggae Girls head coach Hugh Menzies, who along with former national player Lorne Donaldson, were convinced by Cedella to come work for Jamaica for free. He told the media after Wednesday's qualification that this is more than football. And it is. Note that no private sector body supports the National Women's Program. Note that the JFF Women's League was in limbo for almost 2 seasons as local sponsors stayed away after Berger Paints discontinued their sponsorship of nearly 14 years. The league, which entered the semi-final stage today, returned this season through sponsorship from LaSalle's Credit Union and funds from the JFF from those earmarked by FIFA for women's football. A local club league, together with a strong national youth program, aided by the appropriate coaching education, playing fields and other resources, is the only way to ensure this high we now feel continues. I therefore challenge the JFF, the private sector, including the media, to throw more support around the women's program, even as the Reggae Girls continue to strike hard. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.